just at this moment, I've got my Garam Masala spices warming up in this frying pan. I don't want them too hot, but I just want them smoking, and they're smoking beautifully. In this pan, I've got fenugreek, cumin, coriander, fennel seeds, nutmeg, and cardamom pods, 5-star anise, peppercorns, and cinnamon sticks. And all these together are incredibly strong spices. But roasted off in this pan, this is how I make my own. I blend my own spices. This is when the oils are being released from the spices, and this is going to be utterly delicious. So all these things go into my Garam Masala mix. And I had a girl called Emmy come and work on my food stand who was from the Reunion Islands, and she taught me how to make a Reunion Island Garam Masala curry, and it's got a lovely almond rice with it. So this is delicious. So we will be making this, but you need to have your very own Garam Masala mix. So what I'm going to do now is blend them. Right, final job for the day is, once my spices are beautifully and roasted, I'm going to blend them in my trusty spice grinder. When you roast and blend your own spices, this will add more flavour to your curry. So on this jam jar, I've written Garam Masala, I've written the date, recycled jam jar. Now I'm going to put my Garam Masala curry mix into my jam jar, seal it and put it in my spice cupboard. Don't waste it. And this smells so fragrant. All these spices in here, the fenugreek, the cumin, the coriander, they're all very strong spices, but they are good friends. And when we make the Reunion Island Garam Masala curry, it is a very strong curry, but we are going to make it with a delicious almond rice, and together they complement each other beautifully. So remember, you can cook anything.